there, beautiful people! I'm so excited you're here today because we're diving into something that could completely transform your fitness journey. Whether you're just starting out or you've been crushing your workouts for a while, today's episode is absolutely crucial for anyone interested in high-intensity training. Listen, I know you want results fast. We all do. But what if I told you that the way you approach intense workouts could make or break your fitness success? That's exactly what we're covering today. And trust me, this information could save you months of frustration and potential setbacks. Today, we're going to explore everything you need to know about high-intensity workouts, the good, the challenging, and most importantly, how to do them safely. We'll cover the amazing benefits like rapid fat burn and increased metabolism. But we'll also discuss why jumping in too quickly can lead to setbacks. I'll walk you through the essential steps to prepare your body for intense training, including proper form, building foundational strength, and developing the right mindset. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to approach high-intensity workouts to maximize results while minimizing risks. Let's dive into what high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, actually means. At its core, HIIT consists of short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. Think of it like turning the intensity dial up to maximum for a short time, then bringing it back down to catch your breath before going again. A typical HIIT session alternates between 20 to 60 seconds of maximum effort exercise and 10 to 30 seconds of rest or low-intensity movement. The beauty of HIIT is its versatility. You can use almost any type of exercise. This could be sprinting, jumping jacks, burpees, mountain climbers, or even strength exercises like squats and push-ups. One popular form of HIIT is the Tabata protocol, which follows a specific pattern of 20 seconds of all-out effort, followed by 10 seconds of rest, repeated 8 times for a total of 4 minutes. While this might sound short when done properly, it's an incredibly challenging workout that can leave you breathless. What makes HIIT so effective is that it pushes your body to work at 80 to 95% of your maximum heart rate during the intense intervals. During the recovery periods, your heart rate has a chance to come down, but not completely, creating a unique stress on your cardiovascular system that leads to impressive fitness gains. You can structure your HIIT workout in different ways. Some people prefer to use cardio equipment like treadmills or stationary bikes, while others stick to bodyweight exercises or incorporate weights. The key is maintaining that pattern of intense work, followed by strategic rest periods. Regardless of the specific exercises you choose, high-intensity interval training offers some incredible benefits when done correctly. One of the most appealing advantages is its efficiency in burning calories. During a HIIT session, you can burn a significant number of calories in just 20 to 30 minutes. But what's even more impressive is the afterburn effect. Your body continues to burn calories at an elevated rate for up to 24 hours after your workout, something we call excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC. When it comes to fat loss, HIIT is particularly effective because it triggers metabolic adaptations that enhance your body's fat-burning capabilities. The intense nature of these workouts helps build and preserve lean muscle mass while simultaneously reducing body fat, leading to improved body composition. Your cardiovascular system also receives tremendous benefits. Regular HIIT can increase your VO2 max. That's the maximum amount of oxygen your body can utilize during exercise. It strengthens your heart, improves blood flow, and can help lower blood pressure and resting heart rate over time. However, these benefits come with important caveats. The intensity that makes HIIT so effective also makes it potentially risky if you're not properly prepared. Common injuries include muscle strains, joint problems, and overuse injuries, particularly when proper form is sacrificed for speed or intensity. The key to avoiding these risks lies in proper preparation and progression. If you're new to exercise or coming back after a break, jumping straight into HIIT can overwhelm your body and potentially lead to injury. It's crucial to build a foundation of basic strength and endurance first. Start with lower intensity workouts and gradually increase the difficulty as your fitness improves. Listen to your body during these workouts. While you should feel challenged, you shouldn't experience sharp pain or extreme discomfort. Proper form should always take priority over speed or number of repetitions. Remember, it's better to do fewer repetitions with good form than to compromise your technique and risk injury. Now, let's talk about how to properly prepare your body for high-intensity workouts. The key is to build a strong foundation through a systematic approach that focuses on 4 essential components: mobility, stability, strength, and cardiovascular fitness. Start with mobility work. Spend at least 10-15 minutes before each workout performing dynamic stretches and movements that target your major joints. Focus on hip mobility exercises like leg swings and walking lunges, shoulder mobility drills, and thoracic spine rotations. This isn't just about flexibility. It's about developing control through your full range of motion. Next, you'll want to develop stability, particularly in your core. Begin with basic exercises like planks, bird dogs, and dead bugs. Master these movements before progressing to more challenging variations. A stable core is crucial for preventing injury during high-intensity movements and maintaining proper form throughout your workouts. For strength training, start with bodyweight exercises focusing on fundamental movement patterns. Practice squats, push-ups, and lunges until you can perform them with perfect form. Once you've mastered these basics, gradually add resistance through dumbbells or resistance bands. Aim for 2-3 strength training sessions per week, allowing adequate rest between sessions. Cardiovascular conditioning is equally important. Begin with steady-state cardio, like walking or cycling at a moderate pace for 20 to 30 minutes. As your endurance improves, introduce small bursts of higher intensity work. For example, during a 30-minute walk, add 30-second intervals of brisk walking or light jogging every few minutes. Track your progress and gradually increase the intensity of your workouts over time. A good rule of thumb is to increase either the duration, intensity, or complexity of your exercises by no more than 10% each week. This helps prevent overtraining and allows your body to adapt properly to the increasing demands. Remember that proper nutrition and recovery are essential components of preparation. Ensure you're eating enough to fuel your workouts and getting adequate sleep. Listen to your body and take rest days when needed. It's better to progress slowly and stay consistent than to rush and risk setbacks from injury. Let's talk about creating sustainable progress in your fitness journey. The path to lasting results isn't about pushing yourself to exhaustion every single day or trying to transform your body overnight. It's about making consistent, manageable changes that you can maintain for the long haul. Think of your fitness journey like building a house. You wouldn't start by throwing up walls without first laying a solid foundation. The same principle applies here. Focus on mastering proper form with basic movements before adding intensity. When you perform exercises correctly, you'll get better results and significantly reduce your risk of injury. Start where you are, not where you think you should be. If you can only do 5 proper push-ups, that's your starting point. Gradually work up to 6, then 7, and so on. This might seem slow, but this methodical progression leads to lasting results. Remember, small improvements compound over time. Set realistic weekly goals rather than focusing on dramatic transformations. Maybe this week you'll add 1 more repetition to each set, or increase your walking speed slightly. These small victories build momentum and keep you motivated without overwhelming your body. Pay attention to how your body feels. Some days you'll be capable of more, others less. This is normal and perfectly okay. Adjust your workout intensity accordingly. If you're feeling particularly energetic, push a little harder. If you're tired, scale back, but still show up and do what you can. Consistency trumps intensity every time. It's better to do 3 moderate workouts every week for months than to do 1 extreme session and need a week to recover. Build habits that you can maintain, and the results will follow naturally. Remember, this isn't a race. The people who achieve lasting results are those who approach fitness as a lifestyle change rather than a quick fix. Stay patient, trust the process, and keep showing up for yourself day after day. Today, we covered everything you need to know about starting high-intensity workouts safely and effectively. Remember, proper preparation is absolutely crucial before diving into intense exercise. Take time to build your foundation through mobility work, basic strength training, and cardiovascular conditioning. If you're ready to take your fitness journey to the next level, I've put together a comprehensive guide in my book, Speedy Sculpt. It includes detailed workout plans, proper form guides, and progression strategies that will help you achieve amazing results while staying injury-free. Just click the link in the description below to get your copy. I want you to succeed on this journey, and that's why I'm giving you all the tools you need. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Your support helps our community grow and allows me to keep creating content that helps you transform your life. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because next week, we're diving deep into nutrition strategies that complement your high-intensity workouts. You'll learn exactly what to eat before and after your sessions to maximize your results. Thank you for joining me today on Getting Sexy Back. Remember, true fitness isn't about overnight transformation. It's about consistent, smart training that leads to lasting results. See you next week.